Hey, what's up guys? I can't wait to check out the meter. Here we go. I just got this in the mail. And you can see we got some steak here today. I'm going to use the meter with this. My house is super loud right now. My kid's in the living room watching some TV. My wife has got her thing going on. I got 2 dogs. And I love the idea of putting this little thermometer here in the steak and not having to worry about forgetting about the temperature or when the steak's going to be done. So stand by, stay tuned for additional videos on how this works out today. Can't wait. See ya. Hi, I am not Coach Amanda.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
Hey, what should the good viewers do at home?
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button.
Yeah, guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, because we put out these Food Tip Tuesday videos every Tuesday. And so if you want to improve your cooking like I do, because my wife pretty much does all the cooking, then you'll want to get all of the new videos as they come out. All right, so today we're going to talk about grilling. Well, specifically a tool to make grilling better. Grilling is pretty much the only thing I do in this house. I have been relegated to the outdoor area of the kitchen. And I found this neato device on the line called the meter. Check this out. Okay, so when you unpack this, you're going to notice a little box on the back that's magnetic. Go ahead and peel that off. And you'll see a battery. This box, the actual box that it comes in, charges the Bluetooth device. Now the meter is just a thermometer. That's it. This is the charging device. So when you're not using it, by resting it in here, you're actually keeping it charged the entire time. So why would I want this? Well, because you'll notice there's no cords. Unlike the ones where you plug into the oven, they got a cord that comes out and it rests on top and it tells you the temperature. This has no cords, and I thought that that was pretty cool. What it does have is an app. So you put this into the thickest part of the meat, put it onto the grill, connect the app, and it will tell you approximately when the meat will be done, how long it should take to cook. This is always kind of handy when you're having guests over your house or when you're preparing other meals. It'll warn you if it gets too hot, and it'll even tell you when to take it off to let it rest and continue to cook on your kitchen counter. So I used this with 2 pieces of meat, a steak. I used this with a ribeye, and I found that it was a little bit difficult to use it with a ribeye because the ribeye was so thin, and we order from Butcher Box. So my recommendation for steak anyway is to use it on thicker cuts that are actually more difficult to cook to the right temperature anyway. I also use it on chicken. Now, chicken is one of those things that if you undercook, you'll scare your guests. People freak out when they eat raw chicken for good reason. It makes you sick. And then you'll be in the bathroom like all night. Nobody likes that. Except maybe him. So you put this in your chicken, put it on the grill, and you'll see some footage here in the video of me grilling the chicken, and I actually really liked it. I was cooking it too fast, and Amanda just happened to be not in the house, and I was trying to time the dinner so that it would be done when she got home. So I turned the heat down, slowed the actual cooking of the chicken, raised it to the 2nd level, and I actually had it done pretty much right as she got home. So it worked out really well. Now all of this works with an app on your phone. Now you'll see, let's put the video here of me using the app. Very simple, you open up the app, it will automatically connect to the meter once it's no longer in the charger. And then I'm going to choose the actual cut of meat that I am going to be grilling. So it'll tell me the ideal temperatures to cook it to, as well as the FDA for what's safe. It'll tell me medium, medium rare, well done, etc. You choose what you want. It will then measure the ambient temperature, the temperature of the meat, and the speed with which it's cooking in order to calculate about when it's done. Now, it wasn't all good. Truthfully,
What does that button do?
Oh, this is a good point. Side note, that button right here, when you press it, will tell you if the meter is actually charged. So when you press it, if it's green, we're good to go. Now, it's not, you want to press it? Go ahead. All right, now this is an honest review, right? It's not all good. When I shut the grill cover, if I took my phone more than 10 feet away, it lost connection. So they sell a device that amplifies the Bluetooth signal, and that's something that I will probably get and test later on, because it was inconvenient to leave my phone by the door to the deck and to keep going back to check it. Good news, however, though, you don't really have to do that. It has an audible alarm. It'll warn you when there's 5 minutes to take the meat off the grill and also when you want to take it off the heat altogether. So I found that pretty nifty as well. You just won't get to use your phone because it has to be like 5 feet from the grill. And that's it, guys. If you want to know what marinades to put your meats in to make them taste good, check out my wife's previous video from last week. 2 great marinades, one for meat and one for chicken. What's your favorite? Do you like steak or chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken, like real chicken or chicken nuggets?
Chicken wings.
You like chicken wings? All right. Cool. All right, well, maybe we'll do chicken wings on one of our future Food Tip Tuesdays. Speaking of which, if there's something you want to see, make sure you put it in the comments below so we can add it to our list of either products to review, tips to give you guys, or meals to help you prepare for your family. And we'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys.
It hurts my arm.
Can you say goodbye to the good folks at home?
Bye.
See ya.
And this is
Don't fall.
Kind of like a pull-up, but...
Hey guys, welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. I am not Coach Amanda, but this is still our best pal Logan. Oh wait, I messed it up. Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Hi, I am not Coach Amanda. Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Now, I confess, most of the cool versions of I'm gonna start again.